What the hell? Oh my God, no way.
Wait, you're thinking some professional 3D designer made this? This was made by someone who 15 minutes ago didn't even know how to open Blender. And right now, you're about to be that person. Let's go. Look, I'm not gonna lie to you. Blender is literally the most insane thing that happened to the 3D industry. It's free, it's powerful, and pause, you're gonna love it. Thousands of people download Blender every single day and create stuff that looks professionally done. And you're sitting here thinking, okay, but that's probably super hard, right? Spoiler alert, it's not, it just looks hard. And I'm about to prove that to you. In 15 minutes. So we're going to blender.org. You see that download button? We're clicking it. Right now. Don't overthink it. Windows or Mac, pick your OS, and boom. It's downloading. While it's downloading, let me tell you something important. Blender 5.0, this is the new generation. Rendering is like 3 times faster, the interface is way cleaner, and honestly, it's just a whole different level. For beginners, this is perfect. No old bugs, everything runs smooth as butter. Got it installed? Awesome, let's open it up. Blender's open. Looks kinda scary, right? Don't panic, it just looks complicated. Here's what you absolutely need to know right now. In the center points, that's your 3D canvas. You see that little cube? That's your first actor in the scene. Left side is tools. Right side is properties. Top is menus. It's just like any other program, babe. 3 keyword shortcuts. These are literally all you need to learn right this second. G, that's grab. You hit G and boom, your object moves with your mouse. R, rotate. Spin it however you want. S, scale. Make it bigger or smaller. That's it. That's like almost everything a beginner needs. Okay, so here's what you're gonna do next. Press Shift plus A. This is Blender's magic wand. The add menu appears. We're selecting a sphere, UV sphere. There, it appeared. Now we press S, scale it. Then R, rotate it. And then we're gonna get a wow moment. We add another sphere. Scale this one smaller. Now hit E, that's extrude. It's like pulling new geometry out of your object. Pull, pull, and boom, you just made this in like 2 minutes. This looks like ACTO art. And pause, voice drops. This is literally just the beginning. Because now we're adding the most magical part, color and light. You see this shading tab? This is like the magical world of colors and effects. We hit new material. Boom, material created. You see that base color box? That's your paint palette. We click on it and we pick a color. Let's go with pause, gorgeous blue, or maybe something goldish. Click. Done. Already looks better, yeah? Now see these sliders? Metallic, that's how shiny and metal-like it looks. Crank it up and it looks like a coin. Roughness, that's how smooth or bumpy it is. Low, mirror smooth, high matte. Just play around. See how that changed? This isn't just a 3D model anymore. This is a material. It feels real. Now for the most important part, light. Remember when I said this looks scary? Light, that's what turns scary into wow. We press Shift plus A again. Go to light, add a sun. Look at that. Now your object looks totally different. You can see shadows, depth, dimension. This is professional lighting. This is what Pixar uses. Now, we press 12. This is render. This is your final image. Please, look at this. You made this. This is your work. This looks like professional 3D artwork. And this is literally just the beginning. Because we just downloaded Blender, learned the interface, created a model, added materials, created lighting, made a professional render. We did all of that in 10 minutes. You literally just became a 3D artist. Congrats. But here's the thing, I'm giving you a challenge. Down in the comments, you're gonna write, I'm making this right now. And then you're gonna open Blender and you're gonna create your own object because you know how to do this now. And if you do it, I wanna see it. Screen Screenshot, video, whatever, just show me your render. I'm gonna like every single comment with your work. Promise. Why? Because you can do this. I literally just showed you. It's not hard, it just looks hard. And once you nail these basics, you're ready for the advanced stuff. Next video, I'm showing you how to make a realistic object in 20 minutes, how to create a character, how to build an entire environment. But for that to work, you gotta know what I just showed you. So here's what I'm asking you to do. Subscribe to the channel. Not because I'm asking, but because these videos are gonna inspire you to create. To create stuff you never thought you could create. Turn on notifications. Because the next video drops in 3 days and it's gonna be even crazier. And comment, I'm making this right now because I wanna see your results. You ready? Because I believe in you. Welcome to the world of 3D. It changes everything. See you in the next one.